oscillator coil. You can see the lead out that goes over to the front side of the tuning condenser. With all the derusting complete, at least on the top side, I've still got to do the sides a little bit better. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the Krylon Fusion paint, all in one metallic copper. I've already experimented in this corner and did some more light sanding and wiped the cabinet off multiple times with mineral spirits and a clean rag. So let me go see if I can get this to here. Maybe it'll look a little bit better when I'm done, and then I can start mounting the components back on here once the paint actually cures.